How to unhide apps on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you unhide apps on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your apps library. So for that you'll have to swipe right from your home screen. Alright, so from the apps library you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from the section you'll be able to find hidden section. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from there you'll have to verify with your Face ID. So after you verify with your Face ID, you'll be able to see every hidden apps on your iPhone. So to unhide that app, you'll have to just tap and hold that application. Alright, so after you tap and hold that application, you'll be able to see your options like don't require Face ID. So simply you have to go that option, and from there you'll have to again verify with your Face ID. So after you done this, you'll be able to unhide apps on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.